Introducing Novato, a neighborhood of new, single-family homes in the exciting Del Sol community in Ventura, California. Our 6 versatile floor plans range from 2,043 to 2,855 square feet with 2 or 3 car attached garages, 3 to 5 bedrooms, and your choice of 4 elevations. As you step inside our model homes, you'll immediately be greeted by the inviting and open-concept great rooms, filled with natural light and plenty of living space. Come home to a gourmet kitchen worthy of a head chef. Enjoy having more room to prep larger meals for loved ones with ample counter space and plenty of room to store everyone's favorite foods in your walk-in pantry. Spend sunny SoCal days out on your private patio, perfect for relaxing or entertaining guests. Novato offers you more options to live in your new home. Each floor plan includes generously sized lofts that the whole family can enjoy. Laundry day will be seamless and convenient with the upstairs laundry room close to all of the bedrooms. You'll need a comfortable place to unwind after a fun day exploring Ventura. The primary bedrooms and luxurious primary baths are airy, elegant, and thoughtfully designed with you and your partner in mind. One of the exciting highlights at Novato are the breezy covered primary suite decks, offered in select floor plans. The amenities at the Del Sol community are neighbor and family friendly. Spend quality time with loved ones at the recreation center, where everyone can play, relax, or socialize. Need help designing your favorite living spaces? After you've purchased your Novato home, set up an appointment with one of our talented designers at the on-site design studio. Pick out your desired flooring, fixtures, countertops, and so much more. Novato homes are now selling. Visit sheahomes.com to schedule a tour today.